ॐ माया कुंडलिनी क्रिया मधुमती काली कला मालिनी मातंगी विजया जया भगवती देवी शिवा शांभवी शक्ति शंकर वल्लभा त्रिनयना वाग्वाहिनी भैरवी कारी त्रिपुरा परा परमयी माता कुमारी ॐ त्वं चन्द्रिका शशिः तिग्मरुचौर्चिस्तं त्वं चेतनास पुरुषे पवने बलं त्वं स्वादुतासि सलिले शिखिनि त्वं ऊष्मा निस्सारमेव निखिलं तद्हृदि स्यात्. This is from Panchastawi, an ancient scripture. More than 2000 years ago, Kashmir was blessed with these chants, these stotras, these rhymes dedicated to goddess Tripura. There were so many Shakta schools like of Rani Brar, the mother goddess riding the lion, and another school was that of Trika, after which is named the clan Tikkus, and Braris and Broi. So many schools of Shaiva tradition, and these treatises dedicated to goddess were almost forgotten till the birth of the greatest of saints on the soil of Kashmir in 19th century, Mahamaheshwaracharya Swami Sri Ram. And through his grace, in 1980, I received a book, a divine gift, Panchastawi. And Panchastawi is the book which guided me through my ups and downs. And that's what I am bringing to you through so many video presentations, through YouTube creations, and through live sessions. So stay tuned. Stay tuned for the best of Kashmir. Stay tuned for the Kashmir as a gift to the whole globe. Because in 19th century, once again, the highest thought process in the form of Shaiva tradition, Sava philosophy emerged, which was initiated and which was gifted to us Kashmiri Pandits by none other than Mahamaheshwaracharya Swami Sri Ram, who furthered it through his disciples, who were great saints, a galaxy of saints, who furthered this education to other people, and through Swami Lakshmanju Maharaj it reached to the other parts of the world as well. So stay tuned for the sessions which will unfold the hidden secrets, which will unfold which is not yet talked about. So stay tuned for hundreds and thousands of surprises. So never miss it, because it's going to contribute in the most important aspect of our lives. That is our return. That's for New World Order. That's for new Kashmir to take birth. Thank you and stay tuned.